Hello students and welcome in DPS. So guys, today is to start your new chapter division. Okay students, you know that division means bhag. Okay students, the Hindi meaning of division is bhag. Okay students, in this chapter division is the repeated subtraction of the same number. जो आपका डिवीजन है वो रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन का क्या है? सब्ट्रैक्शन मतलब आपका घटाव का प्रोसेस है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जांपल डिवाइड 12 बाई 3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 12 बाई 3 जस्ट एग्जांपल 12 डिवाइड 3. ओके, दिस इज द डिवाइडिंग symbol. Okay students, divide 12 by 3. Okay students, your answer is 4, but you explain by repeated subtraction. Okay students, first you write 12. Okay students, minus 3, your answer is 9. After that fit 9 minus 3, your answer is 6. Okay, and after that 6 minus 3, your answer is 3, and 3 minus 3, your answer is 0. Okay students, this is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Okay students, so your answer is 4th. Okay, this is the repeating subtraction process. Okay, in your books. Thus you have subtract 3 repeatedly from 12 4 times. मैंने 3 को आपने क्या किया? 4 टाइम्स सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो आपको 0 फाइंड आउट होगा, इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स आपका आंसर 4 होगा. ओके, and use the multiplication table of 3. We see that 3 multiply 4 12. Write 4 above the division lines and shown above. Write 12 under the 12 and subtract. Okay, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 0 and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay students, you know that 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 and 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. Okay students, in this problem, big number divided by a small number. First you read table of 3. Okay students, read table of 3 4 times, your answer is 12, so you write 4. Okay students, remember it is the process to divide the first one by second is that 12 divided by 3. You know that this is the process, first divide by 3, your answer is 4. Okay, some example in your books. Okay students, there are some example in your books. This type process you write in copy. Okay students, okay, students, some problem. This is the 2. Okay, first you read table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So students, you write 3 and write 6 and cross the line. Okay, so your answer is 3. You write 6 divide 2 is equal to 3. Okay, students, and other example 4 divide 4. Student, 4 ones are 4. 1 times you write 1, 4 multiply 4 divide 4 is equal to 1. Okay students, 4 divide 4 is equal to 1. Okay, and the next example, four divide 2, 2 2s are 4, you write 2, okay, and write 4. Okay students, your answer is 2, so write 4 divide 2 is equal to 2. Other question, 2 divide 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Students, this answer is same, so write 8. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, and 2 4 are 8. You write upper side 4 and write lower side 8, cross sign, and write 8 divided 2 is equal to 4. Okay students, I hope you know that. There are many examples in your books. Okay students, so you solve the example and exercise. You have any doubt, any problem, you ask me in class time. Okay, and filling the circles, they are very simple. First, all students remember 1 to 20 table. Okay, this is the very useful for you table in this process, multiplication and division. And after that, your page number 83, this is the word problems. Okay, this is the word problem I am explaining at a time. Your first question, Sachin buy 1 liter of milk in RS 90. How many liter of milk he can buy with 45? So students, in this question, first you write 45 divide by 9 and you write answer. Okay, write the sign, write 45 and write 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, and 9 5s are 45. You write answer and your answer is 5. So you write 5. Okay, you divide 45 rupees in 5 liter milk. Okay students, and next question, question number 2. If 5 girls sit on a bench, how many benches is required for 35 girls to sit? Okay students, एक बेंच है जिस पर 5 क्या है लड़कियां बैठती हैं, वैसे आपको 35 लड़कियां बैठने के लिए कितने बेंच की जरूरत होगी? स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट यू राइट 5 35 divide 5. Okay students, you write the symbol. Okay, write here 5 and 35 here. 7 5s are 35, write 7, write 35 and cross the line. So write your answer, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 7 is your answer. Okay. And the next question, question number 3. Shonu paid 20 rupees for 4 books. How much did he pay for 1 book? Okay students, 4 बुक्स के लिए सोनू कितना पैसा पे करता है? 20 रुपीज. तो एक बुक के लिए कितना पे करेगा? स्टूडेंट, 20 डिवाइड बाई 4. ओके, राइट 4 and 20 and read the table of 4. 4 5s are 20, right? 5 20. Okay student, so your answer is 5. Okay, and question number 4. Students, question number 4. In this question, question number 4, should the cost of 7 pens is Rs 28, find the cost of 1 pen. Okay, students, the cost of 7 pen is 28, find the cost of 1 pen. So students, first you write 28 divided by 7. Okay, you write the 28 7 27 for the 28. Okay, so your answer is 4. Okay students, and the next question, question number 5. रजनी had 56 orange. रजनी के पास क्या था? 56 संतरे थे. She put 8 in a bag. उसने अपने she put 8 in 1 bag. एक बैग में वो 8 रखती हैं. How many bags she used? तो कितना बैग की जरूरत पड़ेगी? So students, you write first 56 divided by 8. Okay, 8 divide 56. Okay, your 8 7s are 56. So your answer is 7. Okay, and question number 6. And question number 6. 6 children are the share of 48 toffee. Find the share of the each child. Okay students, first is write 48 divide 6. Okay, 48 6 8s are 48 Okay, students. So your answer is 8. Your answer is 8. Okay. And next and last question. The cost of the 9 chocolates is 45 rupees. 5 the cost of 1 chocolate. This is the very simple. 55 divided by 9. Okay. Students, you write 45, 9. 9 5 is a 45. Okay. So your answer is 5. Okay. So guys, complete your exercise page number 82 and 83. And you have any doubt, any problem, you ask in class 10. Thank you so much. Bye all of you.